Alright, what's up everyone? So today I want to show you how to create custom 404 pages in a Vue.js application, and it's gonna be a short video, so let's get started. So in today's demo, I created 2 pages with halt and login. You will have paging to login, and this is a home page. But if we go to a random URL, we'll see that we don't get anything. And if we take a look at the console, we will see that Vue Router is warning us that this path is not matching anything and it doesn't know what to do with it. So we need to have a 404 page for this, and I actually created it. It's just displaying 404 and page not found, so nothing too special, and we'll need to add a route for it. So let's go to our router and admin route. So the path will be a widget. So for this we'll use path match parentheses, and inside we'll type dot and the asterisk. So what this means is that if the path that we provided doesn't match any of it, it will match this, and by using this we can display whatever component we want. Let's give the name not found, and for the component I'll actually need to import it, and I named it 404, but we can't import it like that, so I'll give it a name of not found maybe, and import our videos arms, like that. So I'll use it here. Now if we go to our routes, so refresh, something does not obtained. So where is it? Path mesh should be background. Yeah, I made a typo there. Should be the other way around by default now. Okay, as you can see, it's working now. So this is our home page. This is our login page. But if we go to our route that doesn't exist, we will see the full page. Thank you for watching. That's been it for this video. Please subscribe to the channel if you want to see more short videos about Vue, and I'll see you guys in the next one.